dark screen, you can't really tell. Oh, I guess it's got the red light blinking when it's doing video. ride up to it.
Okay, it's getting bumpy over there. Hold on.
The aircraft carriers that saw Whale Killer and USS Carl Winston. That's one of 3 modern aircraft carriers we have stationed here in San Diego. There's that one, the CVN-71, USS Theodore Roosevelt, currently out doing drills.
Now
And
that
then
it's idle.
CVN-72, USS Abraham Lincoln, deployed to the Persian Gulf. Modern aircraft carriers are 1,092 feet long, can hold up to 5,000 sailors and 120 aircraft. They're also powered by 2 nuclear reactors, each with a fuel life of 25 years. The one next to us, the Midway, is CV-41. It's not a modern aircraft carrier, and you might notice it's missing that N in its number. That's because it's not nuclear powered, it's diesel powered. In addition to being diesel powered, it's a little bit shorter.
selfie
1,001
kiss
feet
now.
long, can hold up to 2,400 sailors and up to 100 aircraft.
Get a good one. Maybe turn it sideways so it's easier. Look at that. Yeah, definitely get some of this.
World War II, but unfortunately was not finished being built until 8 days after the war
Like a
ended.
little video.
So you didn't see action of World War II, but you did see some action in Vietnam, Korea, the Gulf War, and the Cold War.
Take some of that. I'll pull up next to the.
The mountain this way about to drive under. These used to be an elevator. It would transport planes from the ship's hangar bay up to its flight deck. And it's one of 3 that are on the ship. The other 2 are on the other side.
Oh, doing it turn.
As you guys make this U-turn, I want you to think about your propeller that's on the back of your boat. It's about 8 inches in diameter. The Midway has 4 of them, and they're each 22 feet in diameter.
Oh, the propeller, he
I'll
said.
send that to your parents.
Yeah.
Because they just text.
Oh, watch Louise. Okay, so said to look at the propeller back there if you can.
So don't get your propeller stuck down there.
Off to our left is a statue called the Kissing Statue, but it's based off of Terry Cleveland's photograph known as Unconditional Surrender. Now, when this photograph was taken in 1945, World War II had just abruptly ended, and everyone was stoked. They were in the streets partying, drinking,
Smells like a Chinese restaurant.
having a great time, and now sailors can come
Oh, I
back.
got that on
Decided to
video.
have a raven there, keep her big old kids.
You get to keep the car.
Yeah.
Didn't off to her afterwards, but that photograph was captured and became Time Magazine's 1946 photo of the year. Also, legend has it that that sailor was on a walk with his girlfriend when he just grabbed a random girl and gave her a kiss. So I couldn't imagine they'd be together for much
Oh,
longer
they
after that.
Huh?
interviewed the guy. That's not. Hey, bitches!
Huh? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. The back is better than the ass.
Don't get. Y'all were creating waves.
Sailboat off to our
Y'all were
right, and I
creating a
don't
whole
really
bunch
see
of
a
waves.
safe way to go behind it. So let's just make sure we're getting in front of it while we still can. They might also turn in a second here.
Okay, who are we trying to get in front of?
The last thing that I want to point out to y'all though is this golden anchor on the front of the Midwest. There's two of them. Each one weighs 40,000 pounds.
Something 40,000.
No, he said we're trying to get in
Well,
front of.
because the Midway has provided over 25 years of exemplary service to the Navy, and exemplary service has to do with the retention and reimbursement rate of its sailors. Our next stop is the Maritime Museum. It's around this third tier. Now, I unfortunately have not unlocked the ability yet to see through wood and concrete, so let's make sure we're taking this turn real wide, because I don't know who's on the other side. But I will see you guys at the Maritime Museum.
What do you say take something really wide?
Take it really wide, yeah.
Take what really wide?
We literally land and took off from right there.
Oh.
Isn't that crazy? Right there. The airport's literally right there.